A little chilly up here this morning. It started down near freezing, probably 31, and has started warming up. My temperature gauge says it's about 40, 41 right now, so it's warmed up a good 10 degrees. Beautiful day. Absolutely gorgeous. What was nice about last night is we had a little bit of a ceiling in here, which kept it warmer than what it could have been, and with that lid on top, we needed a little heat, just a little bit of heat for the concrete slab, which is curing. And fortunately, the concrete slab is generating some of its own heat as it cures, so we didn't need to worry about putting thermal blankets on it yet. However, today the concrete guys are in to saw cut the slab for the stress joints and to put the thermal blankets on, because we're expecting a couple cold days or cold nights in the near future. We just need a good 7 to 10 day cure time, and it looks like we're going to get that. The weather is cooperating, and God has been good in providing actually perfect weather for what we've needed to do. It's been nice for the concrete guys and the contractors, because it hasn't been too warm to work. It's been a comfortable temperature. They can do a lot of production and not overheat up here. So that's been a blessing with the kind of weather that we've had. Well, we made it before the weather set in, and we're able to get the slab completed. We've also got the pump house completed as well, which is good. That houses our power and our water source for the place. So at the end of this week, we should have the pump house complete. So all our water source will now be available, and our electrical source is tamped in and will be completed as of the end of next week. But as you can see, the slab is done. It's currently drying right now. The concrete guys are waiting for it to dry so they can saw cut the curing joints to avoid making sure they can control the crack points for the cure of the concrete.